Hello everyone, today you're going to get a quick tutorial on how to access your Google Drive, create a folder on your Google Drive, and how to share that folder with others. Let's get started. First, click on the square icon next to your account icon and click on Drive. This is your Google Drive. Once you are in your Google Drive, you are going to click on the left side, the plus new sign, and click on Folder. Title your folder something that will go hand in hand with the files that you would be placing into the folder. This is just going to be an example folder, and click on Create. Once you created your folder, double click on it, and at the top of the page where it says My Drive, you're going to see the name of your folder, and it has a drop-down menu. With the drop-down menu, click on Share, and this is where you're able to email the folder to other people within the district by searching their name, or you can copy the link, paste it on an email, and send it to them. That's it.